What is up, guys? Today I will show you how to turn on the Bluetooth on your Ninebot scooter. So here I have Ninebot F2 Plus, Ninebot E2 Pro and Ninebot F3. So I will show you briefly how to enable the Bluetooth on your devices. Actually, what you need to do, it's always enabled on all three devices. But for E2 Pro there are some exceptions. So let's try the first one, F2 version here, F2 Plus. So as you see, device fully turned off. What you need to do is just to open your F2 scooter here in your Ninebot app. So I just click on it. And as you see, Bluetooth logo appeared. So I can easily turn it on from the Bluetooth, turn it off, perform all the other functions. So the Bluetooth is always on and there is no way to disable it or enable it. It's always enabled. Only when your scooter fully uncharged, you will not see this logo. Move on with E2 Pro. So with E2 Pro it's much harder. So as you see, I cannot connect to Bluetooth while it's disabled. So the only way to enable Bluetooth is to enable the scooter itself. So as you see now, the Bluetooth is in search. And actually, let's refresh it. It should be connected, I guess. Let's wait. But this indicator showing to us that it's already in the search, so actually it should be founded now. So I found the scooter here. As you see, the charging range, the Bluetooth now it's indicating. You cannot disable it or enable using this app, so actually that's a disadvantage, but the discharge itself it's much better because if you disable your scooter, you disable Bluetooth, so it's not consuming fake energy. So let's disable it fully. And as you see, it disappeared from here and you cannot turn it on, turn it off and do any settings. And device number 3, it's actually Ninebot F3. You can disable it. It's similar situation with F2. The Bluetooth is always on. So what you can do is just, if you enter the app, it's actually automatically connected as you see here. And you have some updates actually here, but doesn't matter. So you can enable your scooter, you can power on, power off. So for F3 situation is similar with F2. It's connected by default using the app. Actually there is no indicators here, but it's connected. As you see, you can power it on using the app. So Bluetooth is always on actually. So it's discharging the battery when it's just turned off. But there is a settings available here. You need to find the sleep mode. So in sleep mode, vehicle uses very little power and cannot be powered on until the charger connected. So actually in the sleep mode, of course, Bluetooth will be disabled, but all the other time Bluetooth enabled and you can connect it very easily and turn on, turn off your scooter. So basically that's how you can simply connect and turn on Bluetooth and connect your scooter for F2 Plus, Ninebot F3 and Ninebot E2 Pro.